Hi, I'm Nick from Zioxi from the UK. Here we are at ISE 2020, and I'd like to talk to you a bit more about our onVIEW product, which is essentially a control system for furniture. What we're showing on the stand today is a laptop trolley. We're showing lots of things, but in this instance I'm showing you a laptop trolley. And what happens is it works conventionally at the trolley where you've got buttons to turn it on and off, but over the web here's a device. It's showing that it's connected by Wi-Fi, and I'm going to turn it on to a smart charge. And what that means is the devices that are plugged into that cart will now charge. Once the charge, each individual device is monitored and goes down to a trickle, it'll turn it off. We can control multiple devices all at the same time over an estate. One of the really big things is that we can also control what we call a green charge, so that devices, when they are put onto charge, will only go onto charge when the level of power coming into the main network is totally green, so either wind or wave or solar. So go and have a look on our website, which is zioxi.co.uk, for more information. Thank you so much. Bye bye.